Hey y'all, I'm doing a quick little upper lip wax on my beautiful client and friend Piper. I'm using the new Sexy Smooth wax in Tickled Pink, and it is good. Oh my gosh, let me tell you, as a waxer, I hate it when a wax strip breaks on me or it's too tacky. Now this wax has given me no issues with that at all. It's super strong when you pull it. It really holds up, and the client reactions don't lie. For example, Piper normally has a little bit of a histamine reaction, and she gets some itchiness. Now this time she had no itchiness whatsoever and hardly any redness. It is amazing. I also love how quick drying it is. It's really helpful for speed waxing. And y'all know I can't resist. With her consent, I get a couple of chin hairs and we are all done.